This is a quick video on how to auto-bind a Crossfire receiver. This is something you can do after you've already bound that receiver to the transmitter once. So first you're going to power the receiver. You're going to go into your Crossfire and go to bind and give it a second. It detects the receiver and you're going to hit update and don't interrupt. You'll let it load. Now that it's going to load over the firmware, it'll give you a little update window right there. Make sure you leave the receiver on the entire time. You don't want to depower anything before it's done. I've seen people unplug as soon as this hits 100%. That'll cause issues. Just let it load. Give it time. Be patient. Just went to 100%. It's now loading. The update's complete. And we are all set up.